The Spring Festival. Introduction of Spring Festival. The Spring Festival falls on the first day of the first Chinese lunar month, often 1 month later than the Gregorian calendar. It originated from the Shang dynasty. People offer sacrifices to heaven and ancestors at the end of the old year and the beginning of the new. It is the most grand festival in China. Customs of Spring Festival include pasting couplets, staying up late on New Year's Eve, lucky money, etc. Paste couplets. Before the Spring Festival, every family should stick red couplets on the door to express their New Year's wishes. The words on the couplets are dual and concise. It is a unique literature form of China. Stay up late on New Year's Eve. On the night before the Spring Festival, the family get together and wait for the time to say goodbye to the old year and welcome the new year, which is called 守岁. It is a way for Chinese people to welcome the new year. New Year's Eve dinner is eaten on the evening of New Year's Eve to symbolize reunion. Lucky money. Elders will put some lucky money into red packets and then hand out to the younger generation during Spring Festival. The meaning of lucky money is to ward off evil spirits so that the child can spend the year in peace and quiet. Spring Festival greetings from students.
新年快乐，牛年大吉！祝大家新的一年身体健康，万事如意，事业有成。
新年快乐，牛年大吉！
祝大家新春愉快，万事如意。
新年快乐，牛年大吉！
新年快乐，
大家新年快乐！
祝大家新年快乐！
多发 paper， 然后学业有成，
顺利毕业。
祝大家新年快乐，万事如意，步步高升。
祝大家新年快乐！
新年快乐！学校加油，学兄加油！
祝紫金公寓的各位新年快乐，新年大吉，然后过个健健康康的新年，Happy New Year！
快乐，万事如意，新年要天天开心。
2021年马上到来，祝大家新年快乐 ，Happy New Year！
新春快乐 ，Happy Chinese New Year！
New Year China， 中国新年快乐！
新年快乐，牛气冲天，恭喜发财！
新年快乐，
恭喜发财！
祝大家新年快乐，牛气冲天，然后在新的一年身体健康，万事如意，家庭美满。
新年快乐，
新年快乐，新年快乐，
新年快乐！
祝紫金公寓的各位新年快乐，新年大吉，然后大家都健健康康的 Happy New Year！
Happy New Year， 新年快乐
Happy New Year and all the best wishes for the upcoming year to everyone. And I hope that this new year will bring good things to all of us, to everyone. 新年快乐！
那新年快乐！
Good luck and best wishes for the year of the ox.